We're on to example 3, and we're going to use the mental method called the split strategy. And if we go straight into question A, I'll explain what it means. If we do 3 times 15, you take the larger number, which is 15, and you split it into 2 parts. We're going to split it into 10 and 5. And we're going to multiply each of these numbers by 3. So 10 times 3 is 30, and 5 times 3 is 15. Now that we've figured out what 10 times 3 is and 5 times 3 is, we then put the numbers back together. 30 plus 15 is 45. Okay, so 3 times 15 is 45. Moving on to question B, once again, we take the larger number, 26, and we split it into 2 parts, 20 and 6. And this time we're timesing by 4, so we're going to multiply each of these numbers by 4. 20 times 4 is 80, 2 times 4 is 8, carry the 0, and 6 times 4 is 24. And once you've done that, you finish off by adding the last 2 numbers, 80 plus 24, 104. So this one is 104. Okay. Now last for question C, we're going to do this a little differently. So we have the number 39, but this time when we split it up, we're going to split it into 40 and 1. Now the reason this is different is to get 39, we actually have to subtract the 1 from 40. Anyway, we're going to start off the same way. We're timesing by 5 times 5 times 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 0, so you get 200. Oops, just made a bit of an error there. So we get 200. Now, because we did this differently, with the other two we added them at the end, but because in this one at the very beginning we did 40 minus 1, we actually have to subtract our end solution. So 200 minus 5 is 195. And that concludes example 3 on the split strategy.